Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you. Today I'm going to show you another bag from the amazing company Polene. I recently sold one of my other pieces in my collection, so I was able to grab one of their, another one of their bags, which I have been eyeing off for ages. So it was very, very hard to decide because I do want to try nearly every one of their styles, but I ended up going with something that I figured would be very versatile, especially for going into spring and summer. First of all, the shipping is very, very fast from Polene. They use DHL, especially overseas, because I'm in America, so it took, gosh, 4 days, 5 days to get here, which is faster than a lot of US-based companies. So I am always very impressed with their shipping, very impressed with their customer service as well. Polene boxes up their items extremely well and very professional in my opinion. Here is the box right here. I got the Numero Un Mini Backpack. I wanted to try this one because it is very multifunctional, and I was very curious into how it will, how I'm going to be able to use it, what I'm going to be able to fit in, because it is a different shape to the Mini Hewitt that I've been using all the time since I got it, which is more of their bucket style bags. So it came in quite a small box actually. So here it is here, very, very pretty box. Let me just open it up here. So when you do receive these items, it is packaged like this. So you get a little Polene card on top here. And then this is the instruction booklet on how to adjust the different ways to wear this particular bag, which is very helpful, I think. I actually did watch a YouTube video of another lady who has this exact bag, and she's wonderful. I'm gonna pop her channel down below so you can check her out, because she does a lot of unboxings, reviews and things of brands like Polene and Senreve, and kind of semi-luxury to luxury brands as well. So this is how the packaging is. It has a little Polene sticker. Ooh, very excited. So I ended up getting this in the taupe color. I probably would have preferred a different color to taupe, but I feel like it may look different to what I'm expecting. They don't have many colors available yet on the mini backpack, and I already have a cognac. I didn't want a black, and I think, what was the other one? Oh, it was like a green, like a mint green. I wasn't sure about that color, so I didn't get that one. You do get a nice dust bag, and their dust bags are just really, really high quality. They're thick. I've got like a cotton weave on the inside, and then a kind of fluffy material on the outside. And their bags are always packaged really, really well. So here it is here. Oh my gosh, it's much smaller than I imagined. So it's wrapped in bubble wrap, which is awesome. Very well protected. So let me just take the bubble wrap off. My daughter's sitting next to me and she's like, ooh, bubble wrap, I want the bubble wrap. So she's probably gonna go and pop all the bubble wrap as soon as I get this off. Okay. Okay, so this is the leather right here. This is the leather I chose. I chose the cross grain, or the grain leather, not the smooth leather, because, well, first of all, they don't have it available, I don't think, in the mini backpack yet. So there it is, here it is here. There is a bit of a, I don't know if you can see that on the front there. Maybe I'm probably imagining things. A bit of a difference in the leather texture there, but gives you a nice kind of look at the taupe color. This is very pretty. I feel like it's a very natural color, very neutral. It does have a clip closure at the front here like this. So before I go over the features, let me just take that out here. So here are the backpack straps on the back here. They are connected with one little D-ring down the bottom, and they come up into the top of the bag here. So this bag also does have feet, which is very, very cool. Right. So here are the straps inside of the bag. It opens up this way. So you just pull these through, and they are, oops, there's a tag right here. So I can't pull it all the way through, but this side I can. And they are adjustable. So these are thin straps, but this is a very, very small bag, so I don't feel like it's going to be a problem having thin straps. There's also a pocket at the back here. It's actually pretty roomy. It's not hard to get it. It's not tight, which I think is awesome. Okay, so, and then this does clip together like their other Numero One bags, or Uno One, or whatever, Numero Uno. And then it opens up wider like this. I did pull the tag with the tag so I can get the straps all the way through. They are connected on the inside here, so they are actually sewn into the bag. I was hoping some way I'd be able to remove them, but I don't think so. There's the tag right there, and there's some packaging on the inside. Okay, so the lining is a cotton lining, and it's a light kind of a similar color to the actual color of the bag. It doesn't clip on the side here, but it's sewn right there. So I'm not quite sure what that how functional that is like that. But so I'm just gonna clip that back together because I don't know why that's clipped there if it's sewn anyway. Just kind of, it's like extra security. Okay, so it is very, very cute. Pull it down here like this, pop it down there, and there's a clip that finds the clip and clip shut like that. So I do notice there's a little bit of a kind of a, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like a little bit of a kind of a difference in the leather right there. I'm not sure how much that's gonna bother me, whether I wanna even bother trying to do anything about that. It's really hard to see. It's only because of the lighting, I think. But anyway, let me try this on real quick. So this is on the, looks like the longest setting. It is adjustable. So there's little holes up here, tiny little holes. Let me see if this one fits me. I am 5'9". So that does fit on my back, if you guys can see. Okay. So that's on the longest setting for a backpack. I think that's super cute. I think that looks really good. You can take this off and actually make it into a crossbody and a shoulder bag, which I think is fantastic. So let me just see how my things fit in real quick, because I don't carry very much, but I do have them here with me. This is the bag I'm using today, which is the Marc Jacobs mini pillow bag, another one of my favorite bags. So let me just see how all this goes in. Right. So these are the things that I normally carry. I've got a little small set piece by Jujubee, my key clay is my wallet right now, hand sanitizer, and my keys. These are sometimes in a little key pouch. And of course my phone, which is the iPhone 12 Pro X, the big iPhone 12. All right, so let me see. So it looks like because this is a vertical bag, things are going to have to stand up. Although this one could lay sideways. Actually, no, that's fine. Okay, so that one went in like sideways, like that. And I put that one in there behind it. And then I can put my little hand sanitizer next to it. Keys, probably just, I might put those in the key pouch, but otherwise they're all just kind of laying next to each other like that. And my phone does fit in sideways, like vertical, horizontal and vertical, which is kind of cool. And it does actually fit in this back pocket. It's a little tall, but when you close this up, close that up, it looks fine because you can't see it like from the front. So that is really cool. Oh, it's pretty. Very pretty. So yeah. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? I can't wait to play around with this and give you an updated review, kind of give you a little bit more look at how it adjusts to the different ways to wear it, give you my opinions about it, things like that. So right now I think it's really cute. I think it's a great size. So I'm very excited. All right guys, well there you go. There's my little unboxing. Hope you enjoyed that. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye.